I shop at Amazon for a living, and today I'm sharing my top 25 finds that I would immediately buy again. You can find all these items in my Linktree shop, which I will link in the description of the video, or you can scan the QR code in the top right corner if you're watching from a TV. Sharing them with you because I think they will genuinely improve your life. And the best part is they are all on sale right now. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get shopping. Our first find of the day is this 7-piece comforter set. That's right, 7 pieces includes the shams, the comforter, not a duvet, and the sheet set. I have it in my guest room and I absolutely love it. It's this really pretty aqua blue color. It pairs so nice with my coastal decor. And for 7 pieces, it's on right now. I also paired it with this washable rug from Amazon. It is so soft. It's a nice neutral beige with the gray, so you can use this in any room of your home. I love their washable rugs, and these ones are on sale right now. I found these little clips that actually hold charging cords. So these are a fantastic find. I will link them below. They just come with a sticky pad that you put on the back. And I'm going to stick this right to the back of my organizer. Then when you have your charging cord, you don't have to worry about losing it anymore because it just clips right in to this little magnetic holder. If you want to update your home office space, these 2 finds are for you. I love the sit-stand desk and this foldable, easy to store walking pad. I use the desk all the time. I love the light wood color and the white legs, and it actually has a larger version on sale right now on Prime for cheaper than this one. So I have linked both of these in my shop so you can pick what size works best for you. It comes with preset heights that you can adjust yourself, so you can go from sit to stand very easily. And the walking pad I love. This is well used. It's easy to store. When I want to get some steps in, I can easily hook it up. It just comes with an easy remote and it's nice and quiet. This one goes up to 4 speed, which is plenty. You're not going to be doing that when you're working as well. And I just wanted to do an honest review of this one because there are so many options, but I love this one. Okay, moving on to the laundry room. This is one of the best finds I have ever found on Amazon. I will link it below in my link tree so you can check it out yourself. But if you have a small laundry room space and need somewhere to hang up your clothes, this is a game changer. So I have to show you. They fit in very nice and close to the wall, but when you need them, you can pull these right out. They come with all the little hooks so you can hang your hangers on them to dry your clothes. It fits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 18 hooks here along each one, plus this slide out bar. You can hang the hangers on top here if you need even more space, but I find these fantastic. They also anchor really well into the wall. So they actually can withstand a lot of weight, because one of my main concerns was this is my only space for drying clothes in my laundry room. And so I wanted to make sure that it could take the weight of a lot of laundry, which they can. So we've had these installed now for a couple of years and I just love them. And you can adjust them wherever you need them to go. And then when you're done using them, you can slide them right back in out of sight. Okay, so my next secret storage in my laundry room is this roll out cart. You get these on Amazon as well. I will link them as well below in the description, but it holds everything that I need and it can easily be tucked away so you don't see it anymore. This next find I don't have, but I wish I did. When we redid our laundry room, we just found some wood that we liked at Home Depot and makeshift our own. But this is a prefab countertop in wood that fits directly over the washer and dryer, and it even comes with some storage baskets. It's such an amazing find for your laundry room to give you that folding space and countertop finished look without having to do any construction. Let me know in the comments if you have this and how you find it. I also have this white floating shelf in my laundry room. I use these in a couple of rooms. These ones are 10 inches deep by 48 inches long. They can hold up to 20 pounds and they're on sale right now. My next must have is this Tineco upright stick vacuum. It comes with a bunch of attachments like the upholstery and the long nozzle. It can stand on its own and rechargeable. It also has a really nice and bright LED light, so it's easy to vacuum in the nighttime, and the trigger that can stay on, so no more pressing down on it the entire time you're vacuuming. And the best part about this one is it's so lightweight. I can easily vacuum my stairs without a problem. Do you remember the robot maid Rosie from the Jetsons cartoon? Well, I feel like I have her in my home with this RoboRock Q Revo vacuum and mop combo. It covers all surfaces, has a large water tank that can easily clean 3 full floors before being refilled, and automatically cleans its vacuum and mop heads, so it is completely hands-free. It has this easy to use app so you can control the device directly from your phone. On here, you can pick certain rooms that you want to clean or a certain area that you can highlight. You can even add other floors. So I have a map for each floor of my home. It has been a complete lifesaver with kids in the house. It can easily clean up any mess. It mops as well as vacuums, and the best part is if you have any carpets or rugs in your home, it will automatically lift up the mop heads so your carpets don't get wet. It can get into all the tight corners, and there is nothing better than setting it to go, leaving to run some errands, and coming back to clean floors. This one is a must-have. Now, this is not a new find, it's an Amazon Echo, but we love it. We've had it for years. We use it all the time to check our weather, our horoscopes, and it's nice and discreet, so it doesn't take up a lot of counter space, which I really love. And of course, then when you're going to make your coffee or do your vacuuming, you can easily listen to some good music. If you want a high quality coffee at home, you need an espresso. I absolutely love this coffee maker. It is so easy to use. It creates such a nice foamy coffee, and it comes with a milk frother so that you can get that high-end barista feel to your coffee every morning. If tea is more your thing, let me introduce you to the Cuisinart Perfect Temp Kettle. So this one has preset temperatures on the side for all the types of tea that you want. If you want black tea, you can get the regular boil, green tea, delicate teas like your chamomile, etc. And it has this really cute keep warm button. So you know when you go to put on your kettle and then you go and run some errands and then you forget that you had your kettle on, this one will keep it at the right temperature the entire time. This is so good for busy moms on the run. No more heating up your tea in the microwave. It can be really hard to find some nice curtains here locally, and so I found these ones on Amazon that I absolutely love. They're an ivory velvet material. They have the back tabs for that high-end look. They have such a soft feel to them that also lend to the high-end look, and these ones come in 96 length, which are really difficult to find. Continuing with the dining room, I love these upholstered chairs, but if you have kids or pets, you need these chair covers. These are my dining room chairs that I absolutely love. They have the nail head trim. These are dark gray, but I posted the lighter gray on Amazon. They are on sale right now for a 2-pack. And I also have to show you these chair covers. So they're ivory and they're this waffle pattern. And these are a must if you have kids or animals. and clean. Moving on to my living room, this is one of my favorite Amazon finds. It's this beautiful rocker. It's a slim design, so it doesn't take up a lot of floor space. It has this really nice tweed material and the light wood rocker panels, which I love, and the cute pocket on the side to hold your book or your remote. I love decorating it for every season, and it is one of my favorites. It has finished off my living room, and it is so cozy and comfortable to sit in to read a good book. I also got this console table. I was a little weary of ordering furniture on Amazon when it was the wood, but I love the finish of it. I don't think it looks cheap at all. And it's another staple piece that I decorate for every season. It has a modern look, but still with the wood warms up the space, and I just absolutely love it. Faux trees are huge in home decor right now, and I found this olive tree on Amazon. It's currently on sale. It has such a realistic look, and it was a fantastic price. I had to pick this one up. I also love the washable rugs on Amazon. I have a runner like this one in my hallway, which really cozies up the space, and I picked up another one for my living room. These were fantastic finds. They are so soft, easily washable. You can spill anything, and it washes up very easily on them, and they just make a room such a cohesive space. Here's all my finds together in my living room. I think it just made it so warm and cozy, and it is definitely Amazon for the win. They say keep the best for last, and this find definitely holds that title. It looks like a dress bag, however, it has zippers the entire way around, so it compresses everything you put in it, which is ideal for winter coats, especially in Canada. Let's see how many coats we can actually fit in here. We have 6. I've actually run out of winter coats. Then we just zip up the entire thing, and then there's another zipper on the outside of each side that compresses it. Okay, here's 5 winter coats. I mean, come on. If you enjoyed this video, watch this next one that YouTube thinks you will love, and don't forget to subscribe.